The Divi anniversary sale is in full swing, and this year we are doing something that we have never done before. We are giving away the entire DonDivi suite of premium plugins for free to everyone who picks up a qualifying Divi product. And that's over $170 worth of tools added to your account instantly. And to show you how powerful this collection is, we have created 3 use cases using DonDivi and Divi Visual Builder. And these aren't just cool ideas, they are practical solutions you can copy, customize and use today. And you will even get a free download of all the layouts used in this video so you can import and build instantly. So let me give you a sneak peek of what we have in store today. So first we are going to create a supercharged header menu with DiviMenus. Then we are going to take a look at how we can create a custom pop-up with click, scroll and exit triggers. Then we are also going to cover how toggle content with switcher or tabs, which is a perfect solution for creating pricing tables. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in and discover what can you do with DonDivi. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Now, in case you want to deep dive in this topic and learn more about it, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it helpful. Now, if you missed the news, then we have recently acquired the entire DonDivi collection. And to celebrate, we are giving it away for free to everyone who makes a qualifying purchase during Divi's anniversary sale. And that's over a $170 worth of premium plugins added to your account automatically when you buy Divi Pro, Divi VIP or any Divi bundle. So DonDivi isn't just a bundle of plugins, it's a full-blown creative toolkit for Divi Visual Builder. Whether you want to enhance your headers, create sleek pop-ups and make your pricing tables more interactive, DonDivi makes it possible with just drag and drop simplicity. And to show you what's possible, the 3 examples that I'm going to show you in this video, we have built using the Divi Starter template site, which you can create using the Divi Quick sites. And we have used DiviMenus and DonDivi Builder plugin. And we have also imported a pre-made DonDivi layout into our Divi library to jumpstart the process. Tired of basic header menus? Divi Menu lets you create something far more dynamic. Think mega menus, hover reveal and models, all styled your way right inside Divi Theme Builder. Here's how you build it. So first we go to Divi and then go to Theme Builder, and there we have replaced our global header template with a pre-made DonDivi header menu layout, which we have built with the Divi Menu Flex module. Then we have used the Divi Menu Flex module to build a dynamic header with different styles and link types. This is what our example includes. First, we have a home link, which is simply a URL link. Then we have 3 links: features, about and blog. Each one reveals a custom Divi layout from the library in the mega menu style. Then we have a standard link. Then we have this pricing link, which is just a normal link. Then we have this search icon, which opens a styled search bar layout in a pop-up. After that, we have this contact button, which is again a pop-up with a custom form styled as call to action button. Then we have this next button, it says free trial, and we have linked this button to our pricing page. Now here is how you can display a full Divi layout as a sublink to create a mega menu style structure. To show this feature mega menu, we have saved the feature section of our website into our Divi library. Then we open the Divi Menu Flex module and change the feature link type to sub. We then selected the saved layout from the library as the content. And then we did the same thing for blog and about us menu items as well. We have saved a custom layout to the library for each and displaying it by using the sublink type in menu item settings. Now the About link displays a mock layout with a clickable blurb module, and the Blog link displays a dynamic blog post slider with mock link categories. And that's pretty much it. Now let's turn the layout into pop-ups using the pop-up link types, which we have used for our search icon as well as this contact button here. So we are going to use the pop-up link type to trigger custom layouts from the Divi library. And to create the contact pop-up link, we have used the design option to style the link with an icon, background color, hover effect, and a little bit of styling to make it look and function like a button. And then we changed the link type to pop-up and selected the contact form layout from the Divi library, which we have copied from the contact page. But of course, you can go ahead and create your own using the Divi Visual Builder. Now we put some final touches to the design to change the color on the hover and the close icon that we see here. And that's it. The pop-up layout will show when clicking on the contact link. And this is how it's going to look. And we did the same thing to create our search bar pop-up when clicking on search icon. All you need to do is pull a pre-designed search bar layout from the library. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more you can do with this plugin, especially when you combine it with DonDivi's floating Divi menus, DiviMenus sharing, and on media. Next, let's see how we can create custom pop-ups with click, scroll, or exit triggers. Now, pop-ups can be annoying or awesome as well. With DonDivi's pop-up module, you are in full control. You can show any Divi layout as a pop-up and trigger it however you want, on scroll, click, or even on exit intent. Now, as in this example, we are using the SaaS starter site template. So we took the CTA section of this template from the home page and turned it into a smart exit intent pop-up. Here's how we did it. So first, we are going to save the CTA section from our home page to the Divi library. Then we are going to create a new section and add DonDivi pop-up module. Then if you go to the content settings and then choose exit intent as the trigger type, then we can choose the Divi layout as the content type and choose the corresponding layout from the Divi library in the drop-down menu. And that's it. And if we save it all, here's how the pop-up looks in action. And this is the perfect way to surface call to action without interrupting your visitors. Because you are using Divi's layout, the sky's the limit for customization. And for more helpful tips about this, make sure you check out the blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. Next, let's see how we can create a toggle content with switches or tabs, which is perfect for pricing table. Now, if you need to let your visitors switch between two views, like monthly or yearly pricing without leaving the page, then DonDivi Contact Toggle module does exactly that. It creates smooth interactive toggle between two layouts, perfect for pricing tables, features, comparisons, or product plans. Now once again, we are using the Divi SaaS starter site. So we have used the pricing section from this page and we have duplicated the pricing section, and then we just changed the pricing in this duplicated section. Then we saved both sections, one for monthly price, another one for the yearly price, to our Divi library. Now once the layouts are saved, we go back to the pricing page and add DonDivi Content Toggle module to replace the static pricing page. Now if you go to content and then scroll down to layouts, assign each toggle state to one of your saved layouts. And we also name the toggle states as monthly and yearly. And you can go ahead and design the toggle in the design tab to match your website theme. And here is the result. Now once again, I would like to mention that we have packed all the custom Divi library layouts used in this video into a free downloadable zip file. Just import them into your site, plug them into appropriate module, and you are ready to go. So go ahead and check out the link in the video description below. Now here is a bonus. DonDivi offers many pre-made layouts for each product that you can download for free. Once you make a qualified purchase during our anniversary sale, you can find all the DonDivi products downloaded and supplementary files under the Marketplace tab in your membership area. This is a great way to jumpstart your next project or explore what's possible with the tools you now have access for free. So whether you want to upgrade your menus, create beautiful pop-ups, and add powerful UI features to your Divi website, DonDivi has a tool for the job. And for the first time ever, you can get the entire suite for free during our anniversary sale. So don't wait, this offer is only available for the limited time. Once the sale ends, so does the free download. So this is your chance to supercharge your design toolkit with some of the most creative and flexible modules in Divi ecosystem at no extra cost. Our anniversary sale has a few days left and it's packed with ways to save across entire Divi ecosystem. Whether you are new to Divi or already a member, there is something for everyone, including exclusive bundles, huge discounts, and the full DonDivi suite completely free with qualified purchases. So head over to elegantthemes.com/anniversary for all the details, including a look back at everything we have accomplished during our 17th year in business. We have put together a landing page with some surprising stats you don't want to miss, and an overview of our progress on Divi 5, which have been heating up recently. So don't wait too long because our anniversary sale ends soon and won't be back until next year. So grab a deal and get DonDivi free for today. And I'll see you in the next video.